Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, can you guys see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So before we proceed to the week 3 and 4, so let's start with week 1 and 2 first. So does anyone has a question or clarification regarding the week 1 and 2? The quizzes maybe, case study, or with the modules, or with the pre-made video, anything. Anyone? If none, for those who doesn't have a question, just give me a quick thumbs up, just to let me know that you don't have a question.
None, sir.
Sir. Ako po, meron.
Okay. So what's that?
Yung, yung module to, sir,
Mm-hmm.
wala po ba siyang ano dun sa pre-made video? Wala po siyang discussion.
Meron naman. Here, we have two videos, right? The first one is the module 1, and then the second one is the module 2.
Yung nandito po kasi sa ano, sir, yung sa isang video, yung sa ano na po, pang module, yung pang week 3 na po.
Oh, wait, kanina ba to? Module 2, dito pa lang. Hindi pa rin naming sa module ko before. So let me just check. Check ko lang. Wala ba? Or maybe it's already on the course module 1 video. Power, module 1. This 9,000. This way, in the bottom of the that's the for the energy. So I check ko lang ah. Power times 5 or this one. We have a Kirchhoff's law, okay, wherein the main definition of forms and okay, so time using the combine this one using screen. So this one, fine, of course. Yeah, this one is time consuming. Superposition. Okay, and then the samples right here. We'll see. Law and okay. Kung naman nasa gitna, we call that one load. Then I already made it simple. So series, ito lang siya. And then para napakarami. Maraming mga output cut. EMF of what is this one. Okay. So minus 3.4. Slide there. Okay, wait lang ah. Just wait a second. Series parallel. 11 slides. Naririnig yan sa like this I squared. This example first. So a building load consists of this and for now, since we don't have is equal to P1 times out to heat resistance in parallel. Total resistance. All right. So I just checked the other section. Before there were also two sections, the A and B. Where I've got the video, what I'm compiling as your pre-made video is coming from section B. Okay. So in section B, I don't know why. I don't know. Maybe I wasn't able to discuss that one in section B in our recorded Zoom meeting. But in section A, we have that one on the third part of the recorded video of the module 1. So it's module 1 and 2 for this video. So I'll just compile this one. I will edit this one later on, starting from the this first slide of the module. Okay. So I'll just update this one later on. Let me just share my screen. So I'll just update this one later on, maybe probably before 5 p.m. after our meeting. Okay. Since it's just a short video, I guess, since it's just 11 slides, so may only take maybe 30 minutes of discussion. Okay. Anyway, so thank you for noticing that one, Mr. Sian or Shan. Any other concerns?
Wala na po, sir. Yun lang po.
Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
So, wala talaga dito eh. Anyway, so what about the others? So we have to remove this one. What about the others? Any questions or clarifications? So we'll remove that one since that is about Kirchhoff's law. None? No questions? Okay then, so let us proceed now to week 3 and 4. So let me just check if I was able to upload the correct video. An hour 49 minutes. A week after. So this is the correct one. All right. So for the week 3, okay, well actually this one is already the week 3 and 4, but of course you are still at week 3, so we will have the week 3 for this week. Okay, and then we will have the week 4, okay, or the module 4 next week. So for today or for this week, so just learn about 1 to 6 only for these topic learning outcomes. Okay, defining Kirchhoff's law, defining what is node, differentiating what is the two types of love current, defining the DC theory terms, and then the application of KCL and KVL. So, okay, and then for the list of topics, of course, it's up to 1 to 10 only, since again, we're only focusing on the module 3. So no module 4 for now. Though I already published your module 4 just in case that you want you want to have an advanced study, or let's say you're done already with the module 3 and then with the Kirchhoff's law quiz. So you can do an advanced study and then just watch the pre-made video next week. Okay. So yeah, that's it for the module 3 and 4. And then for the watch videos, of course, we have here the the pre-made video for the Kirchhoff's law, and then the rest are the supplemental videos. Okay. And then later on, I'll put here the recorded Zoom meeting of ours today. And we have here some practice exercises, some one that came from Canvas itself. So feel free to answer this one. This one, you can have an unlimited attempts for this quiz or practice exercise. And then the others came from external links. Okay, so just check them out later on. So for the first two, we have here the Kirchhoff's, sample activities or Kirchhoff's problems. And then the remaining 3 links are for the module 4 examples, and then some practice exercises for this Maxwell loop or the mesh current method. So for this week, you guys only have 2 activities, okay, which will be due next week, May 30. So that is the Kirchhoff's law quiz and then the case study number 2. So just those 2. And then next week, I'll just, it's already published. So I'll just publish the Maxwell's quiz next week, okay, Monday. Okay, and then the due date one will be, of course, next week, or June 6th. Okay, so same, you guys have a week to finish this quiz. So yeah, that's actually already it for today's meeting. So just those. So are we clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, just in case that you guys have a question in the future, let's say tomorrow or Wednesday or Friday or Saturday, any day within this week, so just message me as soon as you have the concern. Okay. So once I've read your message, then I'll reply as soon as possible. Okay. And then we have 2 more topics, which is the superposition theorem and then the nodal voltage analysis before your midterm exam. Okay. Anyway, just focus on Kirchhoff's law for now. That is the only task that I have given to you guys. So yeah, learn as much as possible for this week for this one topic. Okay. And I'm telling you guys that for me, okay, in my case, this is my most favorite law, or theory that I have learned in electrical circuits, wherein it can actually solve many difficult circuit problems. Well, you can also use Maxwell loop, but that depends on your preference. In some cases, Maxwell loop is a lot better since this one has lesser call this one expressions or solutions. Okay, but that completely depends. Again, they are actually quite similar with each other. It's Kirchhoff's law and then Maxwell law. That is why they are in one tab only. Okay, and then for the week 5 and 6, superposition and nodal voltage analysis also quite similar with each other. Okay, maybe 50% of each of them have the same concept. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, just focus on module 3 for now, and then the Kirchhoff's law quiz and then the case study. So if you guys don't have a question anymore, then that's it for today's meeting. So as always, thank you guys for coming. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Yeah, goodbye and a blessed day to all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Happy friend.
I'm happy.
Ang gwapo mo, Guerrero.